guys, now that there's tons of construction because my neighbors are crazy. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am a crazy person. I filmed a intro clip for this and it was all pretty, and I was explaining to you why I chose this kit, and then I accidentally deleted this clip, so I apologize for that. If you saw last week's plan with me, this is what it's turning out like. It is Sunday and I'm filming because I didn't do it on Saturday because I got home later than I expected. So there will be a couple clips of that, but I ended up choosing the Simply Watercolor Co. Harry Potter kit, which I asked you guys to vote in my Instagram poll and on my personal Facebook page, which you guys might not watch, but if you guys are your friends in real life, this is what I chose by a landslide. I guess nobody likes Friends as much as I thought, but it really means a lot to me personally, and I will definitely be using that kit from Pity on Paper Co. another week. But I was saying that I put down the to-do the headers. It says to do today and this pattern header, but I don't use my sections like that, and I scatter my boxes. So, and I did use date covers today for this week. I chose this kit because I am leaving my current job and I'm walking across the street, and I got a new job, which I will talk more about later, and I hope it all works out. It's kind of scary because there's a 6-month probation with this job, so yes, and so kind of scared. So this is Friday is my last official day at work at my current job, and then I will work through the weekend, and I start my new job on Tuesday because Monday is a holiday. So yes, very, very scared, very nervous, but yes, putting down the full boxes. I solemnly swear I'm up to no good, the Marauders quote for Friday, because I have camp this week. This is a camp prep day and we stay up way too late this day. So yes, so we're up to no good. Wednesday is Valentine's Day, so I put the deer, zoom you in a bit more, put the deer down. The ones that love us never really leave us, which is totally true for Valentine's Day. I put You're a Wizard because I wanted to split up the foils, and then this is just a plain box for that. Thursday, I will put this dark box up here like that. Kind of centered it. Saturday, I will put Saturday I will put this, because that's where I put that there. Yes, I will put this here because it's the start of camp and seeing friends and bonding. And then on Sunday, I will put the Ministry of Magic. Magic, because I thought that goes well. And then that leaves us with this sorting hat and books for the quote box over here. Which is really, really cute. So cute. This spread is, let's zoom you out a bit so you can see all the full boxes. Super cute. Now I'm gonna put in my check flags and the weekend banner, and we'll be right back. put my checklist down, kind of arranged it in a pattern. I also put the weekend banner down, so it is covering a little bit, which is kind of sad, but you do what you gotta do. Now we are going to, I'm gonna put in these little asterisks that I purchased to mark the TV days I'm watching. So Monday is half pipe and figure skating. Tuesday is let's see, half pipe finals. Wednesday, I think I might end up watching, but it is Valentine's Day. Thursday is Sparta Cross and Skeleton. Friday, I don't have anything. Saturday, nothing. And Sunday, which I probably won't be able to watch, but I want to mark, is that it's Big Air. So that is for my asterisks. Then we're gonna go day by day. So Monday, I have a meeting. I think it's in the morning. So we're going to use this half box with the wand on Tuesday. There is just meditation, so I will use this plain striped box. Oh, I also need to change my contacts, but I think I will put that in my checklist. Let's put it here. Half box here. Wednesday, I have shakuhachi and yoga, so I'm going to use these quarter boxes. I'm just going to put them at the top. Oh, wait. Yoga. Thursday is just shakuhachi, so I will put this. Wait, oh no, I don't want to do that. I will put this half box with the glasses. That there is shakuhachi, and then in my to-do list, I need to put pack for camp. Is this Chinese New Year? Hold on. Yes. Friday. Do I want to put a half box? I will put this. Oh, well, in my checklist, I can put pack for camp, but I also want to mark Chinese New Year, so I will use this flag sticker and this dim sum sticker from Wonton in a Million. And then on Saturday, I want to put a half box at the top to say that it's the start of camp, like that. And that is all that I can fill in. because camp is really going to be busy. Oh, I am going to put together my sidebar, so I will move you this way a bit. So I will put down a this week's sticker. Yes, I'll put down a this week's sticker. With a weekly box. I kind of guessed at my coworker and the assistant that I've been working with, who will be taking over my job. So I already guessed her hours, so I will put in all my videos. I did kind of pre-film those videos, so yay. Oh wait, I need to put down my habit tracker. Let's put down the habit tracker first. So this kit only came with one habit tracker, so I will just keep track of my meds this week. I did put 2 habit trackers in my traveler's notebook, so I will also be keeping track there, in addition to like my monthly habit tracker, which I also have on this page for reading and no spend. I should put meds since I've been very stressed out this week. Then I'm going to put a to-do sticker. For a to-do list. So I'm going to use the full checklist. And then I'm going to put this last piece of washi here and just layer it like that, so it looks really good. So now I'm going to zoom you out so you can see the spread before the pen. I don't think I'm gonna fill in the pen this week, but I will show you the stickers that I have left over. I have 1 checklist, 3 half boxes, a work sticker, an appointment sticker, a flag, and the deco, as well as this functional deco on her sampler sheet. And yeah, that is all. I hope that you guys enjoyed this plan with me. Sorry that it was a little chaotic. I will have other videos up this week. And yeah, next week is the Creating and Co-Readathon, so you can keep up with me on my Instagram for like spreads and how I'm doing and all these things. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon for another plan with me, which will probably be this week, the last week of February into the first week of March. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this plan with me. Please keep up with me on social media. As I said, my links are all in the end card this way, which will show up in a sec. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.